Hello everyone, so today we're going to sign up for Postmates, and you are going to start out on AppJobs.com. So you're going to fill out your profile and add your information, add your assets, which are anything that could help you to get an online job. So I'm going to quickly sign up on AppJobs.com. So the next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to select your city. So mine is Los Angeles. So I'm going to put Los Angeles in there. And after that, you're going to want to click on the Delivery tab. So for me, Postmates actually pops up immediately, but if it doesn't pop up immediately for you, then click on the Delivery tab, and it should be the first thing to pop up. So then you're going to click Quick Apply, and it is going to automatically take you to the Postmates registration website. You will then be redirected to this page. So in order to sign up, you are first going to make an email and password, just like every other website. So you're going to type in your email and your password, and then you're going to fill out all of your personal information. So for example, first name, last name, phone number, and then if you have a referral code, like say somebody referred you to work at Postmates, then you're also going to fill out the referral code. So you're going to fill all that out and then continue. Next, after that page, you are going to be prompted to add your mailing address so that they can actually ship you the kit that they send to people. So for example, they will send you bags that keep the food warm or cold depending on what you're delivering. So you are going to type in your street address and your apartment number and your city and your state. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Then it's going to ask you to confirm where you're delivering. So you're just going to type in whatever city that you're working in, or if there's a city nearby you that has like a bigger quantity of orders or something, then you're going to want to put in the city that you want to work in. So next, it's going to ask you to add your driver's license number. So you're going to put your driver's license number, the state, and the expiration date. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in right now. So then it's going to want to do a background check on you, and it's going to want your social security number, your date of birth, and then it's going to want you to look over the background check disclosures and authorization. So I'm going to go ahead and fill that out now. So then it's going to ask you to agree to the background check disclosure, and you're just going to press agree so you can continue on. Next, it's going to ask you to add a profile picture. This way people will get to see who's delivering the food to them, and it's going to show your face on the app. It also helps customers to identify you to make sure that the right person is dropping their food off. So you're going to type your phone number in, and it's basically going to send the app download to your number, and from there you can download the app and you'll be able to get started almost immediately. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you found it helpful or informative. Check the description box below if you want to see some interesting links. And if you liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.